Hello, Driving Intelligence. For quite some time now, I've been experimenting with air intake or air induction systems on a 2002 F-150, and I had read a significant amount of complaints from a lot of people on the internet that say that the K&N filter injection performance kit is not a real cold air kit, and that all it does is breathe in hot air. So I bought into this hype without even seeing any of the data that was out there, and decided to go for a Volant true air, cold air induction system, where it brings in the cold air from the original location on a stock F150 Defender. So I did some testing before and after with the K&N system and then with the Volant. With the K&N, what I did notice is that underhood inlet air temperatures rose significantly at when you stopped in traffic, especially on summer days. I got as high as 145 degrees underhood temperatures, or at least inlet air temperatures. But what I noticed is after driving for some time, usually a couple minutes, the air temperature dropped down to ambient, which was outside air temperatures. And I thought that was okay, but I did see significant loss in power as a result of that. So I installed the Volant system, and I was fully expecting to see a significant improvement in inlet air temperatures, and I didn't. What I noticed is that although at stop the temperatures didn't increase as significantly, the temperatures still increased very significantly over ambient conditions, as much as 20-30 degrees over ambient. And then it took a significantly longer time for the inlet air temperatures to return to ambient conditions. So I guess the moral of this story, and I'll back it up with some of the screenshots of data that I've got, is that if you can pass on the idle or sitting at idle inlet air temperatures for a couple minutes before you get back up to speed, you're going to notice that you're breathing in the coldest air for your engine, because it's going to go directly to ambient. Whereas a lot of the heat sink, a lot of the heat that's getting into the fender well from the engine maintains high inlet air temperatures even after driving a significant amount of time. I never have seen the inlet air temperatures return to ambient on the Volant system. They're up, maybe 3 to 5 degrees after a significant amount of time, but normally they're 10 to 12 degrees above ambient conditions. So for me, I may get an air induction hood, which will blow cold air directly on top of the location for the K&N system and return the vehicle to the K&N filter injection performance kit. Again, these are my test results. You can do what you like. I'm trying to get the best performance out of the vehicle that I possibly can. The only reason I'm doing that air induction hood is because I think it looks cool. I'm not doing this to try to improve airflows or inlet air temperatures, but I think the combination of doing that, which is a separate interest, and the K&N is going to give me the best results. Any questions? Please post them in the section below. Also, please hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon so that you get notified of future driving intelligence updates. And if you have any special videos you'd like me to make, please let me know.